What if I told you that the files you deleted from your pen drive months ago might still be there? And with the right software, someone could recover them in just a few minutes. Before you share your USB drive to someone, watch this. In this video, I'll show you why your private files may still be recoverable and how to erase them permanently. First, download and install Secure Data Delete Pro on your computer using the link in the description. Once the installation is complete, connect the USB drive, pen drive or memory card that you want to securely erase. Okay, now let's open the software. As you can see, there are several options available including files and folders, pipe drive, recycle bin and USB and SD card. Since I want to securely erase data from my pen drive, I'll click on USB and SD card. The software will show all the connected removable storage devices. I will select the drive that I want to clean. Next, you'll see two options. Wipe entire drive. This will completely erase everything stored on the drive. Second is wipe free space. This will only remove traces of previously deleted files that could still be recovered. You can choose the option that fits your requirement and then click on Start Scan Now. Then type the 3-digit code showing you on the screen. Then click on Next to start the process. The software will begin the secure deletion process. You can see the progress on the screen as it permanently removes the data. Once the process is complete, the files can no longer be recovered using data recovery tools. And that's it. Your data is now securely erased. Apart from USB drives and memory cards, you can also permanently erase files and folders, wipe entire drives, or clean the recycle bin. Just select the option you need and follow the same simple process. So that was it for today's video. Be honest, did you think formatting a pen drive permanently deleted all your data? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips, and check out the software link in the description below.